It is a day that these kids at RSU 21 have been waiting for. Thursday, they talked to Mike Hopkins on the International Space Station, and they had a lot of questions.
How did you feel when you looked back and saw Earth for the first time? Over.
Yeah, that's a wonderful question, and I felt a little bit overwhelmed. It was hard to believe that I was actually in space and getting to see the Earth from that vantage point. So I think overwhelmed is the best way to describe it. Over.
Hopkins took the time to answer every single one.
What is the most dangerous part of being in space? Over.
Tyler, that's a great question as well, and we're getting ready to do that. And that is on Wednesday next week. We're going to go out and do a couple of spacewalks. And then, of course, the other most dangerous part is getting here and coming home. Over.
For months, these kids have been preparing by trying space food, training in physical education, and learning about what astronauts do in space. He says his favorite part of space is the science experiments and floating. He says he's just glad to see kids so excited about space. For WMTW News 8, I'm Allison Ross.